My name's Stu Herkus. I'm a project manager at LT McGuinness. This job is the Matapihi re-strengthening project. We are re-strengthening the library, which involves a major base isolation and stiffening of the structure. We're also fitting it out and putting a new facade around. So the end result would be a very modern, much lighter and brighter, more accessible library for modern day use. This will open up the square and the link between the sea and the city. The general complexity is the challenge. There's a lot of work under the water table. There's a lot of heavy steel going into the job, a lot of site labour work, a lot of site welding, for example. Working within any existing structure is always challenging because the design doesn't always work. You have to make lots of changes to adapt to what you find. There's just an enormous amount of people working on different aspects of the job at the same time. There's approximately 80 base isolators. We're using two different types. We've got lead rubber bearers and we've got sliders. There's around about 25, 26 LRBs. We load up the column and then we wire saw the column out. And that gives us space to put a huge slider plate, which is approximately 2 meters square. And that enables the building to move 800 mil in any direction. It's unique because of its heritage listing and iconic to Wellingtonians. So the challenge is to modernise the job but still keep the integrity of the design. LTs are well placed to do the job because the level of innovation required. I've really enjoyed the challenge. It's probably the hardest job I've been involved in. There's a lot of experienced individuals who are involved in this job and they need to be because they've done it before. They're tried and true, and being a civic job, we need to deliver for the people of Wellington on time and on budget.